Hey guys, it's Toast again from Fishyaker. It is mid-afternoon on Saturday, May the 11th, 2019. I'm here on the north branch of the Susquehanna River, and I'm going to play around with a super inexpensive, pretty cool looking though, Paddletail little swim bait. See what happens with this. Maybe I'll pick up something. The river's starting to clear up a little bit, not quite as muddy, and is down a little ways too, so pretty good conditions. Let's find out if they want to chew. There, something bumped it. Oh, gotcha. That's a decent fish too. Ah, dang it! So I'm just cranking it straight across here in this little current break. I've been getting lots of bumps. Had one on, but it's going to take a pretty decent sized fish to engulf this for this area of the river. But unless it's a muskie. But still had a fish on. That counts. Big ol' honky cast. Did I get you? Nope. They're bumping me. Maybe it'll be something big enough out here. Don't want to really eat it. So it's getting a lot of hits on that paddletail lure that I was throwing out there. I just couldn't quite engulf it. There's some like medium-sized smallies in there, it looks like, especially from the one that I hooked and lost. So I'm kind of downsizing a little bit, just throwing on one of those unfair lures paddletails. Gonna throw it up there in the same spot. That'll probably pick up a little bit smaller fish and still pick up some pretty good size ones. So let's see if this one works a little bit better. There we go. There we go. Finally. Got him. Downsize would work. Finicky. Woo! No! Quick release. Okay. Back over here to stop number one. Boat just came through and stirred it up. That's a good thing. It's like, like that. There we go. Right up in there. There we go. Gotcha. It's a little bit better one. That's staying down too. That might be a walleye. What do I got? It's a little bit different fish. Yeah. Is it a walleye? Yeah. Quality little walleye. Tell it was staying down instead of jumping on me and running like crazy. It's like dead weight and muscle. So it wasn't fighting like the smallies. So they're still biting, guys. Walleyes are still biting. Healthy fish, too. There you go. Right up in that current seam. Go grow up some.
Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.